Hai, saya Yasmin Nadira, ID PDL 2107122.
Before we start our exercise, let me wear my stockings and bentang my yoga mat. Yeah. Ni untuk elak apa-apa kecederaan. Okay, kita buat kat rumah ni kena buat elok. Kita mula dengan regangan dan mula-mula sekali kita akan buat jumping jack. And the second one is sit-ups. It can strengthen our muscles, improve stability, balance, and our core. And number 3 is leg raise. And then number 4 is squats. I love this workout so much. It's easy and I can do it anywhere, even in the toilet or in your bedroom, anywhere. It doesn't take up so much space. Let's do some stretching. And the last one is plank, which is they can keep our stomach muscles and core muscles tight, also improve our balance and posture, and the most important is improve our mental strength. And I think this is the most challenging one because the time just goes by really slow when you do this plank. I think that's it, so I hope you enjoy and bye.